Think you're smart? Let's find out. Welcome to the Ultimate General Knowledge Quiz. You have 5 seconds per question. Feel free to pause if you need extra time. Drop your score in the comments. How many can you get right? Subscribe for more brain-bending quizzes. Share and challenge your friends. Ready? Let's go!
Which modern-day country was once known as Mesopotamia? Is it Egypt, Iran, or Iraq? The correct answer, Iraq. Mesopotamia, often called the cradle of civilization, was located between the Tigris and Euphrates rivers. Today, that's mostly in Iraq. Who painted the birth of Venus? Your options are Michelangelo, Sandro Botticelli, or Leonardo da Vinci. The answer is Sandro Botticelli. This iconic painting was created during the Italian Renaissance and is one of Botticelli's most celebrated masterpieces. What's the name of the Greek goddess of wisdom? Your choices: Athena, Hera, or Artemis. The right answer is Athena. Athena is known as the goddess of wisdom, war strategy, and crafts in Greek mythology. Who is the Roman equivalent of the Greek god Zeus? Choose from Ares, Jupiter, or Mercury. And the answer is Jupiter. In Roman mythology, Jupiter holds the same role as Zeus in Greek myth, king of the gods and ruler of the skies. What is the capital city of Mongolia? Think about Ulaanbaatar, Tashkent, or Bishkek. The correct answer is Ulaanbaatar. Ulaanbaatar is the largest city in Mongolia and serves as its cultural, political, and economic center. Which philosopher taught Alexander the Great? Your options: Socrates, Aristotle, or Plato. He was Aristotle. Aristotle was a student of Plato and later became the tutor to a young Alexander, shaping one of history's most famous leaders. Which scientist developed the theory of radioactivity and discovered polonium? Here are the possibilities: Marie Curie, Nikola Tesla, or Albert Einstein. The answer is Marie Curie. She was a pioneering physicist and chemist and the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, twice, in fact. Who invented the printing press? Was he Leonardo da Vinci, Johannes Gutenberg, or Galileo? And the right answer is Johannes Gutenberg. His invention in the 15th century revolutionized the spread of knowledge across Europe and the world. What is the term for animals that carry their young in pouches? Are they marsupials, mammals, or rodents? The correct answer is marsupials. Kangaroos and koalas are classic examples of these unique creatures. Who wrote The Raven? Was he Edgar Allan Poe, Mark Twain, or Robert Frost? And the correct response is Edgar Allan Poe. This haunting poem remains one of the most famous works in American Gothic literature. Which organ is responsible for filtering blood? Is it liver, heart, or kidney? The right answer is kidney. Your kidneys play a vital role in removing waste and extra fluid from your blood. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? Pick one: South Korea, Japan, or Thailand? The correct one is Japan. This nickname reflects Japan's eastern position relative to the Asian continent. Which Italian city is famous for its leaning tower? Is it Rome, Pisa, or Venice? The answer is Pisa. The Leaning Tower of Pisa is actually the bell tower of the city's cathedral, and its distinctive tilt is due to unstable ground during construction. Which composer wrote The Four Seasons? Was he Bach, Vivaldi, or Beethoven? The correct answer is Vivaldi. Antonio Vivaldi composed this iconic set of violin concertos in the early 1700s. Which country invented paper? Your choice is Egypt, China, or Greece. And the answer is China. Paper was first invented during the Han Dynasty around 105 AD in Luoyang, China by Tizai Luan, a Chinese court official. What is the only continent without a desert? Here are the options: Europe, South America, or Asia. The continent is Europe. Europe is the only continent that doesn't contain a true desert. Which country is the origin of the car manufacturer Volvo? Is it Germany, Sweden, or Switzerland? The origin country is Sweden. Volvo was founded in Gothenburg, Sweden in 1927. What's the tallest building in the world as of 2025? The possible answers: Shanghai Tower, Burj Khalifa, or Merdeka 118. The correct answer is Burj Khalifa. Standing over 828 meters tall, it dominates the Dubai skyline. Which planet is sometimes called Earth's sister planet? Let's go through the options: Mars, Venus, or Mercury. The correct one is Venus. Venus is called Earth's sister because of its similar size and composition. Which famous structure was built during the reign of Emperor Qin Shi Huang? Is it Great Wall of China, Angkor Wat, or Petra? And the answer is Great Wall of China. Construction began under his rule to defend against northern invasions. Which African country is the most populous? Options include South Africa, Nigeria, or Egypt. The correct answer is Nigeria. With over 200 million people, it's the most populous country in Africa. What is the national flower of Japan? Is it lotus, cherry blossom, or rose? The correct answer is cherry blossom. Also called sakura, it symbolizes the beauty and fragility of life. What is the official language of Egypt? Choose from Arabic, Hebrew, or Persian. The right answer is Arabic. It is the most widely spoken language in the country today. What is the unit of frequency? Is it joule, hertz, or Newton? The answer is hertz. Named after Heinrich Hertz, it's used to measure cycles per second. In what country is the ancient city of Petra located? Consider these: Egypt, Jordan, or Syria. The correct one is Jordan. Petra is a UNESCO World Heritage Site known for its rock-cut architecture. Which natural resource is most used for generating nuclear energy? Is it coal, uranium, or zinc? The answer is uranium. Specifically, the uranium isotope uranium-235 is used as fuel in nuclear reactors to produce heat through nuclear fission. What is the longest-running television show in the U.S.? Could it be The Simpsons, Gunsmoke, or Law and Order? The correct choice is The Simpsons. This animated sitcom has been on the air since 1989. What is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea? Is it Crete, Sicily, or Cyprus? And the correct answer is Sicily. Located off the southern coast of Italy, Sicily is the largest island in the Mediterranean Sea. What is the most visited museum in the world? Pick one: the Met, Louvre, or British Museum. The answer is Louvre. Located in Paris, it's home to the Mona Lisa and many other masterpieces. Which ancient civilization built Machu Picchu? Was it Aztecs, Maya, or Inca? The right answer is Inca. This stunning citadel was built high in the Andes Mountains of Peru.
Quiz complete. How did you do? Comment your score below. Did you ace it? Subscribe for more brain-bending quizzes. Share and challenge your friends. Want harder or easier quizzes? Let me know. Next quiz dropping soon. Turn on notifications.